Did you know that your body has a second brain? And no, I'm not referring to Tiago Forte's book. This is the biological second brain that is present in your body. It turns out that your gut does more than just digest food. Your gut contains its own complex nervous system, known as the enteric nervous system, or ENS, which is sometimes called the second brain. The ENS is a network of nerves found in the gastrointestinal or GI wall. The ENS can do something most of the neural networks in the human body cannot do, that is, it can function independently of the central nervous system, the brain and spinal cord. This means that the ENS can act independently rather than rely on signals from the central nervous system, but it still communicates with it, via the vagus nerve. You can think of the vagus nerve as a highway connecting two major cities. But unlike the brain, the main role of the gut is to control the digestion of food. There are enzymes that are released to digest food. From swallowing to the release of enzymes, to the breaking down of food, to the control of blood flow, and helping with nutrient absorption, to elimination from the body. But what the ENS doesn't really do is generate conscious thought processes, as the brain does. However, as mentioned earlier, the gut can communicate with the brain and vice versa, as well as from the brain to the gut via the vagus nerve. This suggests that our two brains can talk to each other, implying that therapies that help one may also help the other. For example, studies have shown that people with gastrointestinal disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome are more likely to experience anxiety and depression, suggesting a link between the gut and the brain. Moreover, the gut microbiome, which is made up of trillions of microorganisms living in the digestive system, might impact gut-brain communication. Research has shown that the gut microbiome can produce neurotransmitters and other signaling molecules that can affect mood and behavior. This new knowledge of the relationship between enteric nervous system and central nervous system helps to explain the success of inflammatory bowel disease and bowel disorder treatments like antidepressants and mind-body therapies, like cognitive behavioral therapy and medical hypnosis. However, this is an area that is still under research, and there is a lot more to learn about this brain-gut link. So the next time you get butterflies in your stomach or have a bad gut feeling about anything, remember this: you're most likely receiving messages from your second brain. If you found this video helpful and informative in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.